Hi everybody and welcome to another Jarrison Time informational video. In the following video, we'll be taking a look at different daily detail views. Once we have logged into the system, we head to the icon bar and click on the daily details icon. In this window and the following views, we will look at what times were clocked and which devices were used by the employees to clock in and out on a specific day, along with how the system applied the rules and formulas associated with the shift. Then we will head to the clocking section. This is where all of the clocks for the current day will be displayed. Here to the right, we have 3 different buttons to change the view. The first one we will take a look at is the standard view button. This will display 2 columns. The first being the original column, which will display the original clockings imported into the system from our set import location. And these clockings are raw information. Should there be clockings displayed with a black font, they are original and untouched, whereas clockings with a purple font are clockings that have been manually deleted. Should we then click on the original button, it will change to calculated. These clockings will not display until we click on the recalculate button at the bottom. Recalculated clockings might look different to the original clockings depending on the day program setup within the system. Seeing that these clocks now have rules being applied to them, they have changed per our setup. Then right of that, we have the active clocks. Here the system displays the original and manual clocks. The clocks added manually display in the grey highlight as seen here. Both of these types of clocks are being used in the time and attendance calculation. Now moving on to the next view, we will click on the TNA button, taking us to the time and attendance view. In this view, we have more details about the clocks on this day, like type, device, user reason, and device reason. Under type, we have the original clocks, manual clocks, and deleted clocks. Then we have the device column, which will indicate on which device the employee clocked. Next we have the user reason column, which will display a reason should it be added for a manual clock, as seen here. Lastly, we have the device reason column, which will display a reason if the device has been set up to select a reason when an employee clocks. Now let's move on to the access view by clicking on the access button. Here we will only see the original clocks that were imported into the system from our import location. These clocks here are not edited in any way and display the raw data. There could be more information on this window should we have extra modules added to our system, but in today's case we do not. That will then be all of the views for the daily details. We can click on the close button and go on working with Jarrison Time. That will be all for this video. For related content, check the description below. Thank you for watching and goodbye.